Hello and welcome back, tech enthusiasts, to our channel. Today, we are going to talk about Python, which is a very versatile and powerful programming language that is taking the world of technology by storm. Python is a high-level, general-purpose language that is both easy to learn and use. It's popular because of its readability, flexibility, and versatility, hence making it a great choice for web development, data analysis, and scientific computing. Among the features that are important in Python, its syntax is simple and intuitive, making it one of the best languages a beginner will want to have and use for prototyping and developing various applications. Python also boasts a large, active community with a lot of resources available online, tutorials, libraries, frameworks. So, whether you're a seasoned programmer or an absolute newbie, Python is indeed one language that is worth giving a try. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Until next time, happy coding!